Hi, RJ, and thanks for tuning in to my VidSell review. As you see, I'm in the members area of VidSell, so I'm going to give you a run through of what VidSell is all about. I'm also going to go over my high power bonus bundle that I put together for you should you decide to pick up VidSell through my link. Now, in short, what VidSell is going to allow you to do, it's going to allow you to go out and get articles that are already pre-made, and it's going to put these articles into slides that you're going to be able to go out and market to people. You can also sell these things like on Fiverr. So if you find an article on, let's say, affiliate marketing or maybe an e-com product and you don't want to have your face on camera, you can actually simply just put these scripts in and it's going to create a video for you. So it's kind of cool. It also allows you to find these different things on the web too. So you can either search the web or you can search from their article database. So if this sounds of interest to you, then go ahead and click on the link in the description of this YouTube video, which is going to bring you over to my bonus page for VidSell, which goes live on the March the 19th at 11 o'clock EST. Now this is where I'm going to host all of my bonuses at that you're going to have to pick up before the countdown timer on this page runs out and hits 0, because once you wait beyond this time, you'll still get access to the product, but you will not be able to get my high power bonus bundle that I put together for those that decide to pick it up through my link. Now all you have to do, once you like what you see on my bonus page here, go ahead and click on the gold button here, which will take you over to the sales page for VidSell. Hate creating videos yourself, but would love to sell them? Finally cracked. New breakthrough cloud app creates high converting videos you can sell in 60 seconds flat. Simply insert keywords or paste in a URL and watch how this software creates a push button video. Turn any URL into Fully-Fledged video, insert a keyword, and get video created for you in seconds. Cloud-based, mobile responsive, 100% newbie-friendly, fast way to create quality videos, dozens of quality templates to choose from, commercial rights built in for you to sell these videos to local businesses or on Fiverr. That's the headline. That's what it says in a nutshell. Go ahead and take a look at the sales page yourself by going through my bonus page in the description of the link in the description of this YouTube video. Come over to the sales page. Should you decide to pick up VidSell, just go ahead and click on any of these gold buttons, and this VidSell comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Once you check out, it's going to take you over to the Warrior Plus checkout that looks something like this right here. And just click on the green button inside Warrior Plus to access the product. And you'll also see a button right underneath it. And that's where you're going to access all of my limited time bonuses for VidSell. So you might be asking what those bonuses are. Bonus number 1, I'm going to show you how to profit from PLR videos, because that's basically what this is. You're going to be able to take PLR, and I'm going to show you how you can actually start making some money from these videos, because there's really no need in buying this software if you're not going to have plans to make money from it. So that's what I got together for you for bonus number 1. Bonus number 2, I'm going to show you how to rank your videos, because you can actually create these slides into videos, download them, upload them into your YouTube channel, which is going to give you fresh content in YouTube consistently. And there's no need in having that content there if you're not able to get this stuff ranked. So that's what you're going to learn in bonus number 2. Bonus number 3, I'm going to show you how to set up a gig on Fiverr, because that's kind of the pitch on here. It comes with commercial rights on the front end, so you can go ahead and set up a gig on Fiverr. People start looking for these kind of explainer type of videos. You can charge them a pretty penny for these on Fiverr, but you won't really know how unless you go through this training on how to set up a gig on Fiverr and how to actually make money from Fiverr. So that's what I've got for bonus number 3. Bonus number 4 is SEO and ranking tracking tactics, which is again a ranking tool here that's going to show you how you can rank these videos in YouTube, which is actually going to be in Google, because Google owns YouTube. So not only am I going to show you how to rank them in Google, but I'm also going to show you how to rank them in YouTube. I'm going to show you how to set up a gig on Fiverr. And, this is a super bonus bundle that's super congruent with this product. So I really think you're going to like this bonus bundle that I put together for you. Now, don't feel like you're going to miss out on all the vendor supplied bonuses, because you're also going to get those as well. But remember, these bonuses are only available for early action takers. So if you're really interested in this product, I would get it right when it goes live. Now, let's hop back over to the software for VidSell. I'm going to show you quickly how this software works. Again, you can either pick articles from a database or you can search from the web. I'm going to go ahead and say article from a database, and I'm going to put in affiliate marketing. Okay, so press proceed here, and then it brings up all these different ready-made articles that you can pretty much just take straight away. So I'll just take this one for instance. So once you go ahead and click on the one that you want, it actually breaks that whole article out into separate slides. So let's see how many slides this breaks it down into. You can see all these different slides that it breaks it down to. So looks like there's 15 slides in this article. So it kind of breaks it down in that aspect. And then what you do is you can click on the button here, and you can actually start pulling in images from a URL, from the web, or from Pixabay. I'm going to go ahead and select Pixabay. I'm going to go ahead and say money, and let's see what kind of images we get to come up. So as you see, Pixabay just quickly generated all these images that I can use royalty free for my video. So it can do up to 4 slides per. So you can go ahead and stick those in there, add the images. If you want, you can go ahead, now for the sake of this, I'm just going to copy these into all of them, because you can either go in and do 4 slides per, but for me, I'm just going to go ahead and copy these in here just for the sake of this video to get you through a quick demo of how this thing works. You can also delete these images. You can move these images from side to side, so you can rearrange them. You can also move them up and down. So if you click up, it goes over here. If you click down, again, you can add these. You can take them away. You can upload images off your computer by just pushing that button if you have some already saved on your hard drive that you want to use. And if you want, you can shorten it up. So if you want, you can go ahead and take some of this here, and you can copy it and bring it up into here if you want to. So if you want to not make your slides as long, you can go ahead and do that, and then you can just eliminate some of these slides if you want. You can go ahead and just cut it out and get rid of it. So that's another option too. But once you get this stuff rendered in the way you like it, all you have to do is scroll to the bottom, and you have an option to save it, add us another slide if you want, or click done. I'm going to go ahead and save it first, and I'm going to go ahead and go test affiliate marketing campaign. All right, so that's what that is. I'm going to save it. Once it's saved, I'm going to go ahead and click done. From there, it comes over here as to where you can pick any of these ready-to-go templates, which is pretty cool. You can use any of these templates that you'd like to generate this slide. I'm going to go ahead and select this one. So once I select this one, I'm going to go ahead and you have an option to do several things. You can either get a shareable link. So if you're on social media, you can just go ahead and share it straight away. You can do a voice record. So if you actually go ahead and use these articles, you can actually do a voice record. So you're actually reading off what comes up on each particular slide. So that's really cool. Once you're done, you download this and then you upload it into your YouTube channel, and there you have it. You can actually host them there, and you can actually build out a portfolio for other people. If you set up a gig on Fiverr, then you just download this and you would just give your client the shareable link. But at any rate, let's go ahead and preview this. So here you have it. You can kind of see how it all comes in. I had the same images, but you can swap these out and stuff as I showed you earlier. So that's kind of in a nutshell how it works. I've also got a full demo of it on my bonus page, but let's go over the prices real quick for VidSell. Again, it goes live March the 19th of 2020, and it closes out on March the 23rd. So front-end price for this is only $17, which is pretty cool because it gives you this ability to quickly get images, get videos up on your YouTube channel, which is going to build content on your channel super quick. You are limited on the front end as far as how many you can render on a monthly basis, but if you get the Pro for $67 one time, then you can do unlimited. They've also got a done-for-you package for $47 if you want some proven templates that they've already put together, that they've already made money on, then you can go ahead and pick this upsell up for $47. Then last upsell is the $67 resale rights, which means you get 100% of the profits if you can sell any of these products throughout this entire funnel. So you sell one pro version and it's already paid for itself. So in that aspect, if you feel like you can sell one of these pro versions, then it makes sense to pick up the reseller rights, because you get to sell this as your own product. Pretty inexpensive for this reseller package. And again, on the front end for the $17, you get the commercial rights, which allows you to sell these on Fiverr, which is really cool. So let's run through the frequently asked questions real quick. Is VidSell cloud-based? Yes, it is. Are there any are there any others getting results from VidSell? Yes, they are. Will this work in any niche? Definitely. Does VidSell cost a monthly fee? No, but it will go to monthly after the launch period. Do I need any technical skills? No. And is the support training included? Yes, there is. So that's kind of some FAQs for you. Again, you can find a demo of VidSell, even though I just kind of gave you a quick rundown. I do have a full demo right here on my bonus page. Again, which you can access in the link of the description of this YouTube video, which will bring you over to this page. Go ahead and click on any of the gold buttons on this bonus page. Proceed over to the sales page for VidSell and go ahead and buy it before the countdown timer hits 0. Once you click on there, you'll go to Warrior Plus. You'll be able to access your purchase and all these different bonuses that I put together for you to help you get the most out of VidSell. I really hope you like this review of VidSell, and cheers to your success, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.